We are discussing energy and power signals. In the previous session, we have discussed A, B and C, and we have find whether the signals are energy or power signals. So this is energy signal. This is also energy signal. So this is power signal. The question number C is power signal. Let us discuss question number D, E, F, G and in this session. Now let us take the D question. The D question is R of t minus R of t minus 3. So as you know that how to draw, just I have drawn the signal many times. So I am directly drawing the signal. So during the 0 to 3 interval, the ramp increases to an amplitude of 3. At t is equal to 3, one more ramp is added with a slope of minus 1. 1 minus 1 will become 0. So the nature of signal is like this. So this is x of t versus t. So you can see that, is it a finite duration signal? No, it is not a finite duration signal. It is not a finite duration signal. First we have to finite duration signal. So therefore it is power signal. You can directly say that it is power signal. That means its energy will come infinity and power will come finite. So let us check out this answer. So therefore what is energy formula? Simple formula, integral minus infinity to infinity. Just square the signal and integrate. So where the signal is existing? The signal is existing from 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity. So in this interval, so x square of t dt. So in this interval, let us split this limit, integral 0 to 3. First we have to split the limit, integral 0 to 3. In this interval, what is the equation of this line? The equation of this line is t square dt plus integral 3 to infinity. What is the amplitude during the interval 3 to infinity? Its amplitude is 3 square 9 dt. You have to split. What is it? Because it is a straight line. It is a straight line. What is the nature of the signal? Ramp. Ramp equation is t, as you know that. Now let us substitute these things in this equation. Now first is t cube by 3, 1 by 3 into t cube, 27 plus 9 into infinity minus 3. So you can see that the final answer is infinity. Infinity plus something is infinity. So therefore the answer energy is infinity, as I said earlier. So now let us calculate the power. So what is the power formula? The power formula is limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to t x square of t dt. I said that mean square value of a signal, because the signal is existing during 0 to infinity. So therefore let us split the limits 0 to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral 0 to t we have to take, because the signal is starting at 0, x square of t dt. So again limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t. Let us split the limits, integral 0 to 3. It is a ramp, or if equation t square, it will become plus integral 3 to t. Its amplitude is 3 square 9 dt. 9 dt. So let us separate these terms. So therefore the power will come out as limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t. The first integration answer is t cube by 3, 1 by 3 into t cube. T cube will come out as 27 plus the second term will come out as t minus 3. T minus 3. So if you separate these terms, limit t tends to infinity, so it will come out as 9. So if you take 1 by 2t inside, so 9 by 2t plus 9t, tt gets cancelled, it will come out as 9 by 2 minus 27 by 2t. So it will come like this. So if you substitute t is equal to infinity, so this term will come out 0. So this term will come out 0. only 9 by 2 will be there. So therefore 4.5 watts. We can see that the energy is infinite and power is finite. So therefore what kind of signal this is? Power signal. The power is coming as finite, energy is coming as infinite. So it is a power signal. In this way you can understand this question. So let us see the question number E. Question number E. So 2 plus e power minus 60 into u of t. First let us plot the nature of the signal. So because of u of t multiplication, the signal always starts from t is equal to 0. So let us find out the approximate values at t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, if you substitute t is equal to 0, e power 0, 1, the amplitude is 3. That means the signal starts at 3. At t is equal to infinity, if you substitute e power minus infinity 0, so therefore 2 plus 0, 2. The signal starts at value of 3 at t is equal to 0. The signal ends at 2 at t is equal to infinity, 2. So therefore how to draw the signal? You can check that. How to draw the signal? The signal first we have to take a 3 and let us make 2 line. The signal at t is equal to 0, what is the amplitude? The amplitude is 3. So by the time t is equal to infinity, the amplitude exponentially decreases and reaches to 2. So in this way you have to plot the nature of the graph. So is it a finite duration signal? It is not a finite duration signal. It is not a finite duration signal. Finite duration signal. So therefore what is the signal? The signal is power signal. So let us calculate first energy. So what is the energy formula? The energy formula is integral minus infinity to infinity x square of t dt. Remember that. So because of u of t, the signal is always existing from 0 to infinity. So what is the signal in this duration? 2 plus e power minus 60 whole square into dt. Let us square the signal. Integral 0 to infinity 2 square 4 plus e power minus 12t plus 4 into e power minus 60 into dt. So you can see that first integral 4 multiplied by infinity, 4 first, the answer of first integration is 4 multiplied by infinity. So the entire summation will come it as infinity. Later you can check it out. The same answer will come. So now coming to the power. So what is the power formula? One limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to t x square of t dt. So let us do it carefully. So limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t. The signal is existing starting from 0 to t, because we are keep mentioning t infinity here, 0 to t, because the signal, there is no negative portion of signal, you have to take 0. X square we have mentioned already, 4 plus e power minus 12t plus 4 into e power minus 60 dt. So you can check that limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t into what is the first integral 4t. The second signal is e power minus 12t by minus 12. The last signal is 4 into e power minus 60 by minus 6. The limits are 0 to t. So therefore limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t, sorry, you keep it as t. Now substitute the limits. 4t in place of substitute t here minus e power minus 12t by 12. So minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into e power minus 60. If we substitute the lower limit, this t in place of t 0, this term will come out 0, plus 1 by 12, it will come out as plus 2 by 3. You can check that. Okay, if you multiply 1 by 2t inside, so therefore it will come as limit t tends to infinity. So 4t by 2t, it will come as 2 minus e power minus 12t by 24t minus 2 into e power minus 60 by 60. Last one, 1 by 24t plus 2 by 60. So if you substitute t is equal to infinity in these all terms, if you substitute t is equal to infinity, so this term will come out as 0, 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 so only 2 will remain, the answer is 2. So you can clearly see that the energy is infinity, the power is finite. So therefore which kind of signal this is? This is power signal. The signal is power signal. Let us see the question F. The question F is t square into u of t. So what is the signal? T square into u of t. T square into u of t. So first we have to sketch the signal. If you sketch the signal, as you know that the signal is a parabolic signal. So as you know that what is the nature of signal t square? T square is a parabolic signal. So therefore 0, it is that the nature of the signal is parabolic signal. So you have to clearly observe that at t is equal to infinity, the signal amplitude becoming infinity. Remember this case, at t is equal to infinity, in previous cases, at t is equal to infinity, the signal is having certain value. But in this case, at t is equal to infinity, the signal amplitude is becoming infinity. So this kind of signals, remember that these kind of signals are neither energy signals nor power signals. That means energy is infinity for this question, and power is also infinity. That it is neither energy signal nor power signal. So let us check out both the things. So what is energy formula? You know, energy is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x square of t dt. But the signal is existing from 0 to infinity. So what is x square of t? T power 4. It will come as t power 4 in this interval t square. So t power 4 dt. If you substitute the limits, it will come it as infinity, t power 5 by 5. If you substitute the infinity, it will come as infinity. So the energy is infinity, as I said earlier. So what is the power formula? Limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to t x square of t dt. The power is also called as mean square value of a signal. I have mentioned in the definition. So therefore limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t, where the signal is existing from 0 to, let us t. So in this interval, what is the nature of signal? T square. It will become t power 4 dt. So therefore, so limit t tends to infinity. So it will come as t power 5. So that means 1 by 10t it will become, and t power 5. If you substitute the limit, it will come as capital T power 5. So you can see that it will come as limit t tends to infinity t power 4 by 10. If you substitute, it will come as infinity. So you can see that energy is equal to infinity and power is equal to infinity. So as I explained earlier, so therefore it is neither energy nor power signal. So this model is important. Similarly, one more example of this case, t into u of t. So I am just to do it later. So what is the nature of signal t into u of t? So t into u of t will be a ramp. At t is equal to infinity, the signal amplitude will be becoming infinity. So therefore, the same case, it is neither energy nor power signal. So let us do the question number G. The question number G here is 2 plus e power 4t into u of t. So let us draw the question. Let us first sketch this question. At t is equal to 0, what is the amplitude? At t is equal to 0, e power 0, 1, 2 plus 1, the amplitude is 3. Signal amplitude, x of t is equal to 3. At t is equal to infinity, you can check that e power infinity is infinity, 2 plus infinity is infinity. So how to draw the signal? Carefully see how to draw the signal. The signal is 0, infinity. So this is x of t. So let us first take 3 line. So this is the 3 line. At t is equal to 0, its amplitude is 3. At t is equal to infinity, the amplitude is becoming infinity. As you know that how to draw the exponentially increasing signal. So this is the exponentially increasing signal, e power x graph. Now, as you clearly see that at t is equal to infinity, the signal amplitude is infinity at t is equal to infinity. So therefore, what is the signal? This signal is neither energy signal nor power signal. So let us calculate in a similar manner energy and power. So energy and power. So what is the energy formula? Integral minus infinity to infinity x square of t dt. So where the signal is existing during the interval 0 to infinity. So because of multiplication of u of t, square 2 plus e power 4t, it will become 4. So e power 8t plus 4 into e power 4t dt. So because of first term, the answer will come as infinity. Okay. Now the rest of the terms, if you add all the terms, it will come as infinity. So therefore power limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t. The signal is existing from 0 to start value is 0 because the signal is starting from 0. So x square is 4 plus e power 8t plus 4 into e power 4t dt. So if we calculate this one, the answer will come also infinity. So therefore it is neither energy signal nor power signal. Thank you.